Hey YouTube, um, just giving you a little update on this, on, this 9-in-1 Swiss Tech multi-tool. Uh, give you a little overview on what I've used it on and how I've used it and all that. And I've used this quite often. Um, getting staples out, uh, cutting stuff up, or cutting wire. Uh, the wire cutter does work. Uh, very well. Wire stripper, use that. Screwdrivers, pliers, um, use it all. Um, it held up pretty good. It is a light duty tool, um, so don't expect to rebuild an engine. uh, but yeah, it's this multi-tool is more geared towards, I guess, the electronic tech person. Um, so it's perfect for somebody that works on computers or works on little things. Um, but I have run it through its paces a little bit. Um, I noticed that when I put too much strain on the, I guess you'd call it the plier application, the little rivet or rivets didn't come undone, but the handle bent uh, a little bit, but enough for it to not uh, close up. Or when I say close up, I mean like collapse or fold into its little compact size very easily, like it did before. Um, sorry, I'm enjoying a cigarette right now, but yeah, it does work. The pliers. Um, I did have to do a little repair on my windshield wiper, which came loose, and went ahead and fixed it. No problem. Um, it didn't, I guess you could say, fail, but it did break a little. um, closing it up for you. Doing this one-handed, minus a couple fingers. Oh, watch me burn myself. And let's do it this way. See, it hangs on this part of the handle, but it still closes. Folds flat and easy to open and close fairly easy. Even with its bent rivet. But as far as an EDC or being part of the EDC, it is a very welcome, very welcomed member to my EDC. Um, I'm happy with it. Uh, everything is pretty compact. My meds um, in the tin. Um, so yeah, it works. I did put some small rolls of tape, electrical tape right here, and small roll of duct tape on two pieces of scrap pieces of paracord, and hooked it up to a little spiral ring, key ring. So now it's part of my keys. Did get a new lighter. Did I need it? No, not really. But this one, I like this one. It's not refillable. It's a disposable deal. Clicky lighter. Whew, that's fire. What makes this so special is its safety. That little clear, or in the camera, it looks gray, but that clear sliver, push it forward, then push down, and you got fire. If you don't push down, nothing. No fuel escapes, nothing. Very efficient, very affordable. So yeah, little EDC update slash light duty test update on the SwissTech 9-in-1 multi-tool. Hope you guys like it. Comment, review, rate, subscribe, whatever. Alright. YouTube, have a good one. I hope everybody's Thanksgiving was awesome. I know ours was. Ate good, laughed good, played hard, or at least the kids did. Have a good one. Oh, Solitaire, Maglite. Go ahead and pick one of these up. I'm still going to be using this. It is the junk. I'm not going to shine the light. But very affordable. Pick it up for $5. Found out it was like $5 at Walmart. Yeah, go ahead and pick that thing up. Well worth the money. Small and compact, lightweight, inexpensive. And yeah, have a good one.